banking, money, profit, wealth, income, stock market, trading, share market, buy, sell, investment strategy, long-term investment, short-term trading, passive income, financial freedom, wealth creation, dividend income, stock analysis, market analysis, banking sector, India, public sector bank, digital banking, online banking, mobile banking, secure banking, UPI payment, savings account, current account, debit card, credit card, ME, home loan, personal loan, car loan, business loan, gold loan, insurance, mutual fund, SIP, tax saving, capital growth, financial planning, smart investment, investment portfolio, trading account, Demat account, premium banking, cashback, rewards, banking app, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, salary account, instant payment, online transfer, customer support, economic growth, banking news, investor confidence, stock performance, quarterly results, net profit, revenue growth, market cap, blue chip stock, trusted banking stock, strong fundamentals, high quality stock, stable stock market leader, India, retail banking, corporate banking, banking technology, future growth, market recovery, bullish stock market, capital appreciation, portfolio growth, earning report, financial success, investment opportunity, secure investment, high return stock, stock research, market trend, share price growth, finance, education, business finance, money management, investor strategy, strong balance sheet, trusted financial brand, India Stock Exchange, NSE, BSE, trading volume, financial services, banking, future, digital finance, cashless payment, investment return, long-term wealth planning, smart money, investment ideas, growth, stock value investing, banking company profit growth, earning growth, top banking stock, India economy growth, wealth management, income generation, high value investment, stock update, finance channel, trading tips, investment learning, market opportunity, risk management, stock forecast, finance news, market movement, banking leadership, trusted investment, smart banking, secure finance, digital future, customer satisfaction, high banking revenue, corporate finance, retail finance, investment banking, market expansion, growth opportunity, wealth building, income planning, trading, education, financial literacy, market insights, portfolio strategy, stable earnings, banking innovation, economic strength, trusted share market, stockholder return, business expansion, banking services, India profit strategy, investor awareness, financial security, online finance, digital transaction finance, world smart trader, market expert, finance update, financial growth strategy, wealth building ideas, investment success, high quality portfolio, stock research, India future investment, business banking, strong revenue, asset growth, banking development, market success, economic recovery, stable company growth potential, secure banking system, top investment stock, financial market learning, trading knowledge, smart finance, wealth planning, market analysis, expert investor, portfolio income source, growth opportunity, stockholder value, trusted banking partner, financial services company, India market capitalization, high performance banking stock, finance sector leader, consistent growth, earnings growth, strong profit margin, future wealth creation, business opportunity, secure capital investment, banking excellence, top finance stock, stock trading opportunity, investment mindset, money growth strategy, digital economy, banking app services, online account, investment return strategy, share market learning, finance.